going to try a real-time rehydration of ham and eggs. I plan on cutting these up into pieces, cubes, and putting it in with the eggs, like scrambled eggs. But I'm not sure how big these pieces are, so I'll find out. So I'm going to start with rehydrating the eggs. I have 100 grams of water, 100 milliliters of water. I have 75 grams of milk that I'm going to add to it the way I like my scrambled eggs. So cut the top off. And these are the 4-year-old eggs and 2-year-old ham. Oh, I gotta get the oxygen absorber out of there. So my plan is, these are pretty well crushed already. So I think these should go into solution really well, rehydrate well. Okay. Try to get every bit of that out. Yeah, I'm gonna use the wire whip piece on the mixer. I'm just kind of pushing it down in there first so I don't end up with any powder flying. Okay, and then I'm going to let that rehydrate for just a bit while I get the ham going. The ham shouldn't take long. And we'll see how big the pieces are. Oh, that's quite a lot of it too. All right, and ham rehydrates this is, I think, some spiral sliced ham we had, but it rehydrates very, very quickly. Oh no, this does not look like spiral sliced ham. Oh, that's good. So this is a very thin sliced, and ham is really good. Just dry, makes a good snack. And that rehydrates almost instantly. Takes very, very little time for ham. So I could eat, these are so thin. I mean, I could heat them up this way, or I could just cut them up. It's quite a lot of it, so, but I'll probably just cut them up and put them in. Okay, well, that's essentially ready. So I'm gonna put them on a paper towel now to absorb any extra water. And then I'm going to cube them up a bit. Oh, I could add some mushrooms too. All right. Forgot the knife. Oh, that's excellent. I think I'm going to get a few mushrooms too. I'm going to get the pan a little bit hotter. Okay. So I'm going to make sure that this is well mixed now. I'm going to add the milk. You could add cream if you want it creamier eggs. Okay, so I've got the eggs, I've got the ham, got a few mushrooms. I'm going to put a few of those in the pan. So I'll rotate this around a bit. Get that up to temperature real quick. And I'm going to start with, I should probably start with the ham. So I'll get the ham in the pan, and then I'll add the mushrooms. All right, the pan's nice and toasty now. I'm going to add just a few mushrooms. These are pretty good sized ones. I'll just add a small handful of those. Now, of course, you could put anything in you want. Some onions and peppers would be nice in there. And I am doing some freeze-dried ones right now. Well, freeze-drying another batch. And I'm freeze-drying some onions and peppers to go in with the eggs. And I'm going to have the egg and milk mix already done on some of them, so it's ready just for that. Just add the water and it's ready to go in the pan. So just giving those a quick saute. Okay, turn that down. Don't overdo it. And that pack was 5 eggs from just over 4 years ago, and some ham from a little over 2 years ago. And that pan's still a little hot. All right, almost done. And then it depends on how well done you like your eggs. I definitely like mine well done, kind of dry, on the dry side. Some people like theirs still kind of loose and wet. I don't care for that personally. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm going to add some pepper. I probably don't need to add any salt because of the ham, but I'll check it. I would like a touch of salt in there. All right, that is done. Yeah, I think I'll put that on a plate. Whoa, missed. And that's it. Quick as that. Scrambled eggs and ham from freeze-dried. I dare say it would be hard to tell the difference from fresh. All right, so that's it for this one. And I'll be doing more eggs for a while, trying to get a bunch of eggs in storage in different forms.